Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Struggling to make ends meet? It's time to start taking control of your finances, and in this video, we'll show you how. We'll explore the road to financial freedom, from setting goals and creating a budget to investing and building wealth. With expert tips and advice, you'll learn everything you need to know to take the first step towards financial independence. Welcome to The Road to Financial Freedom. Get started now. In this video, we'll explore the steps you need to take to achieve financial independence. Whether you're looking to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build long-term wealth, we've got you covered. Let's get started. We all want financial freedom, but getting there can seem overwhelming. The good news is that it's never too late to start. With the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial independence. The first step is setting goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or invest for the future? Whatever your goals may be, write them down and make a plan to achieve them. Next, create a budget. A budget will help you manage your money effectively and keep track of your expenses. Start by listing all of your income and expenses, then identify areas where you can cut back and save. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start investing. Investing is a key component of building long-term wealth. Start with a basic understanding of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, then seek out expert advice to help you create a portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. As you build your wealth, it's important to stay focused and disciplined. This means avoiding debt when possible, living within your means, and staying committed to your financial goals. Thank you for watching The Road to Financial Freedom. Get started now. We hope you've learned valuable strategies and insights to help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with setting goals, creating a budget, and investing wisely. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and never stop learning.